Here's a video of the truck from the front. Engine running. Lights. Your front visor lights. Clearance lights. You got extra lights there. Brand new chrome bumper. Steer Michelin. Beautiful truck. Very clean. Got some minor things here and there, but that's common. A little paint build up here, but that's it. Never been painted, it's all original. In the side box, brand new extinguisher. Brand new reflector. Got a side box over here. That's about $800 extra. And you got two of them on the each side. And you have a head rack. That's a $3,500 head rack. Brand new tires. Brand new. All the way around, brand new front and steer. Just greased the fifth wheel, did a fresh oil change, full PM. Got more lights. Looks from the back. Chrome wheels on the outside, steel on the inside. Got another box. Truck just needs cleaning, but it's gonna clean. Here's just a little side damage on this side fairing, but that's it. There's nothing else to it. It's a bit easy fix.